Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get your private key on MetaMask account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, go ahead, open up your MetaMask app on your phone and make sure you're logged in as well. Now from over here, you're gonna find your wallet address on top, as you can see, and then tap on this three dot given on the right side. Once you do that, there's a four option gonna pop up at the bottom. Go ahead, tap on this option of show private key given in the bottom. Then from right over here, you're gonna find this kind of interface which will simply ask you to enter your password to continue further. Go ahead, enter your particular password correctly, and then once you've added, go ahead, tap on this next option which will light up afterwards. Then this notification will pop up. You can see keep your private key safe, hold to reveal private key. Go ahead, long press on it, and as you can see, your particular private key will be visible right over there. You can simply choose to copy it as well, otherwise tap on done and go back to your home screen. So that is how simple it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.